Hi, I'm Patrick O'Brien. I am helping out noise engineering at NAMM 2019. I'm a modular synth performer, and I'd like to show you a few of the new modules that are coming out in the first quarter of this year. The first one is the Fractio Solum, which is a divider. As you can tell here, you can think of this as a fraction, so you can have 7/2 as a beat. You can adjust 8/3. You can do a whole bunch of different type of patterns. And as you adjust the knob, you can set different ratio patterns. You have an option of coming in. You can reset the pattern as well. You can multiply by 2 and you can divide by 2 as well. And then you can also do an inversion. So it just gives you a bunch of different variety with the different types of divisions that you can do with your module, all on the 4 HP, which is really nice. The next module is the Syncpachyna, which is it's the next iteration of the Syncpachyna Impulatrix, which was it's a envelope VCA combo, all in 4 HP. So if I take a signal from going into from the clock into this module, and I bring an input from, let's say, the Iteritas, and I come out to this channel here. So we're listening to the Iteritas. There we go. So you have an attack and a delay. Our release is more release than a delay. With a ping, you can also go in as an envelope gate in and out as well. And then both of those come in and out on the audio side into your mixer. So a lot of functionality. You can also hand ping it if you want. If you hold it, it kind of gives you a longer tone. Or you can just put it back in. That's the Syncpachyna. The Percido is it's the first of many modules we're going to be releasing this month that are based on, this year, that are based on distortion. We're doing a distortion of the month. So this is the first one that's going to be coming out. And it's a very simple distortion module that blends with any type of oscillator. For example, if I'm coming out of what we were just listening to, if I were to bring that directly into the distortion module, you can also go straight in, straight out for each of the 3 channels. So you could have 3 different distortion channels, or you can combine all 3 into one, which is what I'll do here, so that they follow each other. This gives you really nice distortion. Say add some more craziness to the oscillator. And you can just run the top one if you like, or just the second one, or just the third, or you can do a combination of the bottom 2 or the third with the top ones left out that you can use for another source if you like. So that's the Percido distortion module. And the last is the Cursus Iteritas Percido, which is a much larger, newer model that originated from the ideas from the Cursus Iteritas. It has the ability to hit a gate in, or you can hit it manually, or you could trigger it. I'll go ahead and trigger it. You have an envelope that you can add the time on. You can make it really tight. You can add the attack and the shape as well. This is being controlled by a trigger, but you can also do a loop mode, so you get really fine into the looping. Or you can do it as free mode as well. Then there are several parameters around with center and width, edge and fold. So if I extend this out a little bit, There's also 3 modes as well for the different types of oscillators that are built into this. And then there's the Master Blaster, which controls different sides of the module as you turn it. So it's more of an attenuverter, so you can send positive signals one direction and negative signals the other direction. And this is also CVable. So if I were to take if I take the envelope out, for example, and just put it right back into itself, it creates some really interesting sounds just internally. First quarter of 2019 for these 4 modules, yes.